Yes, finally. Hi guys. Hi guys, this is me and Veronica. We are here live first time. We don't know how to use the phone. So
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Yeah, so we are here live doing Veronica hair and Vivian hair design. Can you see something, Veronica?
Yes.
Yeah? Say something to your people you love.
It's great to be back. I haven't been here for 3 months since the lockdown. And my roots need doing badly.
Oh yeah. Let me just put it for you perfectly, Veronica. And yes.
But it's great to see Amal again.
Oh yeah, hi everybody.
Hi.
We are here in Vivian Hair Design Live in the space in the palace. As you see, my friend Veronica's here. And she never been here 3 months. Look at her hair. Oh my God, she really needs a nice hair color. You're happy, Veronica, to be here?
Yes, at last.
We are so happy. So now we are coloring her hair. We will show you later the result about her color. Unfortunately, with all mask and treatment and everything here. So hi to all the family all over the world.
Yes, hello everybody. Hope you are all well and stay safe.
Say hi to your sister, Veronica.
Hi Joanna. How are you doing?
We hope you're okay, Joanna.
Hi everybody in England. Keep well.
And be safe. So, 3 months don't go to the hairdresser, you get so much roots. So we are covering the root of Veronica. Very happy to be here. Eh?
Yes, at last. Thank God.
And from Monday we can go to the beach.
Yes, and you can go in the restaurant.
Yeah, we can go to the beach from Monday. We were very happy to tell you we are alive, we are okay.
Yeah.
Me and Veronica, we are still here, and
Yes.
we're now going to color her hair. And later we will come back to you to show you the result, live in Vivian Hair Design. So, do you want to say anything, Veronica, to everybody there in the world?
Well, what can I say? Just everybody, stay safe.
And enjoy your life.
Yes, exactly.
So we will say now bye-bye. Bye-bye right now. We'll see you
Bye
later.
for now.
Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.